I am greeting all the honorable guests, the name and vulnerable of everyone sitting here. I am happy that our country will go to elections and get rid of the uncertainty that it is in lately so that the country will have a new leader, and I hope that if I win the highest position in the country, there will be a change in leadership in our region of Somalia. I hope if I win that there will be a change in leadership. Our country is recovering from serious problems that have affected all Somali government structure in our country so that the government structure can be restored in our foundation of justice and social equality, which is the basis of the country's security, to reconcile the leader and all Somali community before the civil war. Ladies and gentlemen, I assure you that I will serve the interest of the Somali nation, and I will be a servant of the community and save the vulnerable people, including those who have been indicated by justice, who need justice spaces on reconstruction pillars of the judicial and justice in the country. It is a constitutional duty of all government council to create confidence of Somali citizens in their government. Ladies and gentlemen, we need a change, and that change is to create a social and political attitude that can change the general perceptions of the government of Somalia. As the leader of Somalia Welfare Party and the candidate for the President of Federal Republic of Somalia, Mohamed Mohamud, our country has not only destroyed the government, the trust of the community has also been destroyed, which is more of an obstacle of building Somalia government, a sense of collective responsibility of all people to save the interests of Somali nation in our country. There is no government service for Somali citizens, which is one of the most important infrastructure that the country is built on. Therefore, with the help of Somali people who love well-being, I will reactivate the self-help work so that the problems can be reduced. I want to have a national plan to prevent natural disasters such as drought and river floods. I have great hope that the Somali government will reach a good place and we will make more changes in the Somali government system based on transparency and justice so that the people feel right, the willingness to participate in the construction of the Somali government, and finally live a legacy of democracy that touches and brings country the system of difference.